This is Free Talk Business 2, and this is Lesson 4 review, Finding True Fans. Aiko, have you heard of the idea of 1,000 true fans? Yes, the idea is that if you have just 1,000 true fans, you can make a living doing what you love, right? Exactly. True fans are the ones who buy everything you make, share your work, and support you directly. I like that concept. It feels more realistic than trying to go viral or reach millions of people. Yep, and now the price of entry is lower than ever. You don't need to go through big media. Before, everything was controlled by gatekeepers, but now you can connect with your audience directly online. Right. If you focus on a small group and really serve them, they'll support you long term. That's really encouraging. I'm going to focus on creating value for a niche group. Smart move. Sometimes a smaller, loyal audience is better than a big, silent one. Okay, good job.